how to fix your Tinder account has been banned. So in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to fix your Tinder account has been banned. So let's just go ahead and get right in. So you're gonna want to head over to the Tinder.com website. Now from here, you're gonna want to make your way down to the end of the Tinder.com page. Now essentially there's gonna be a few links here you can go ahead and click. Now go ahead and click on the contact link here. Now it's gonna go ahead and send you to the contact us page. Now essentially you can go ahead and contact Tinder through phone number, or you can contact them through just a ticket form. So just go ahead and click on contact us here in blue, and then you're gonna want to go ahead and submit a request. Now from here, you're going to want to go ahead and click on trouble with account login. Now once you go ahead and click that, another option should appear. It's going to say what's going on. Just go ahead and click on it, and you're going to want to press can't log in, my account was banned. Now from here, it's going to give you a little form you can go ahead and fill out. Now essentially you're going to want to go ahead and put your email address right here, your phone number, as well as a description of your problem. Now try to give a brief description of what's actually going on with your account, as well as a few file attachments to the actual ticket. So once that's done, go ahead and submit the ticket, and Tinder should get back at you within a week or less than a few days. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.